So here having the voltage source converters. So voltage source converters are which will be used for the minimizing the losses. Okay, so minimizing the losses in the transmission line. So here to minimizing the losses, so we are using the power electronic device. Okay, so the power electronics device which are using, so we are using as a converting devices. Okay, so we are having the different types of converters. So based on the commutation, based upon the turn off places. Okay, so here these are the voltage source converters which are having the DC voltage. Okay, voltage source converter in which the DC voltage always has the one polarity, is having the one polarity, and the power reversal take place. Okay, whatever the power reversal take places, and through the reversal of DC link. Okay, through the reversal of DC link, DC current. So here we're having the, so what we are going to do here, we are converting the whatever that is. Okay, so here we are converting the DC voltage into the AC. Okay, so DC, so we have the single phase, three phase voltage source converters. So here we, this is a single phase one. So from this one we are, what we are going to do, so we are converting the DC into the AC. Okay, by using the converter. So here we are having the this one. So here we are having the one is the gate, another one is the thyristor device, another one is a diode. Okay, so in the previous sessions and here also some is the mistakes that her diagram. So here this one is the, okay, one two, so here is the one two three four are the gate. Okay, so 1 and 2 3 4 are the power electronic devices. Okay, so consider it as the SCR. Okay, so IGBT, MOSFET, whatever. So here considering that 1 2 3 4 are the thyristor device, and 1 dash 2 dash 3 dash 4 dash are the diodes. Okay, here is the one circuit, here is the, so one. So what we are doing is for combining the block. So is a here is the thyristor device, another is the diode. So by combining, so we are having the two circuits. Okay, so we are having the, at a time only two circuits are activating. Okay, for instant. So either 1 and 2, so one dash or two dashes are only active. So another instant we have activating the 3 and fourth one. Okay, here what we are doing in the voltage source converter. So let us check. Okay, we'll take the pen. So here what we are doing, so this is the one thyristor diode. Okay, it is another thyristor, this is the third thyristor, is the second thyristor, right? So remaining are the diodes. Okay, in this diode what we are doing for first instant. Okay, here we are taking the positive and negative. Okay, we are taking the positive, negative, and this one is a capacitor. Okay, DC capacitor. So here at the first instant, so what we are doing at first instant, we are starting the, so switch on. Okay, we are switched on the first and second one. Okay, we switched on the first and second thyristor. So at first instant, what we are doing, first and switched on. Okay, at this time, so current will be flow. Okay, the current will be flown like this. Okay, current will be flown like this. Okay, so this is for first instant. So what will happen due to that? So here we are having the, so here at what state? So we are having different states. So when will we having the at this? So whenever the switched on the first and second thyristor, so what will happen at what mode? So here we have the different modes of operation of this. So either act as a inverter, either act as a rectifier unit. Okay, so far. So at first instant, what will happen? 1 and 2 are the conductor. Okay, at the positive impact. So at first stage, we are starting this one. Okay, at this step, what will happen? 1 and 2 are the on. At this time, so it will act as a inverting. So with that is whatever it is that this is converted into the AC. Okay, so DC to AC is take place. Okay, so here what we having, we are connected in the, that is we are connected the diodes. Okay, 1 dash 2 dash. Okay, so 1 and 2 dash what happens, so we are whatever the current is there. Okay, some amount of current will reversely flow. Okay, so we are due to the connection of the diodes in the circuits, so what happen here, reversal current will be flown. Okay, so first will happen, that is current will be flown in this way. Okay, so due to the connection in the 1 dash and 2 dash, what happen, reversal current will be flown. So here what will happen, this is the causes the rectifier. Okay, so here what will happen, AC is converted into DC. Okay, at first instant, first half cycle what happen, 1 and 2 are on. Okay, then AC is convert, sorry, DC is converted to AC. Okay, another instant, 1 dash and 2 dash will be on. Okay, due to the current flow in this loop. So here is a loop, right? So due to the in this loop, current will be formed. Due to this, so reversal current will be take place. Okay, this reversal current causes the reverse current in that. Okay, due to that, here what happen, rectifier unit will be. Okay, it will act as a rectifier, that is AC is converted to the DC. Okay, for another half cycle. Okay, so first we are considering this is the one cycle. Okay, so if it considering the AC, so first we are switching on the AC, right? So in the first and second switch, first and second are the valves are on. Okay, at another instant we are switching on the third and fourth. Okay, and fourth thyristor. What will happen at this state? So when switching on the third and fourth, so this one. Okay, so first and second are switched off. First and second, that is first the first thyristor and second thyristors both are the off, and third and fourth are the on. Okay, at this instant, so what will happen, it will be reverse places. Okay, so here what will happen, it is also same. So when we switch it on, so current will be flow like this. Okay, okay, this will be in this way. So here it will be, just wait, let us simplify. So here another instant, the current will be flow like this. So open circuit, and here. Okay, in this way it will be work. So what will happen, here current will be flow like this. So here what happen same. So similarly, so whatever the when the 1 and 2 thyristors on, so it will take place, that is inverting mode. Okay, similarly here when the third and fourth thyristors on, so here also take place as the, that is inverted mode, that is it converts the DC into the AC. Okay, so at another instant, okay, at another instant what will happen due to the reversal current flow. Okay, so here reversal current will be take place. So due to the 4 dash and 3 dash diodes, so what happen, reverse current will be flow. Due to the reversal current flow, so what will happen, current will be flows to reverse. Okay, so current will be flows to reverse. Due to the reversal current flow, what will happen, it will act as a rectifier. That is, at one state it will act as a rectifier unit, another state it will act as a inverting. Okay, that's why it will call as a converter. That is rectifier and inverting modes both will be appear. Okay, here if considering the at what state VAB is positive, at what state IAB positive. Okay, to know that we are having the diagram. Okay, so first we know that 1 and 2 is on. Okay, at the 3 and 4 the off. Okay, first we are considering that 1 and 2 are the on. At that instant it will act as a inverting. When 1 dash and 2 dash is current conducting, at that instant it will act as a rectifying. Okay, when 3 and 4 are on, it will act as a inverting. When 3 dash and 4 dash on, it will act as a rectifier. Okay, and here due to the reverse current flow, that is 1 dash and 2 dash. Okay, 1 dash and 2 dash, due to the reverse current flow, so it will conducting. Okay, so it will conduct, that is then it act as a rectifying, that is it's converting the AC to DC. So sir, where it goes to the AC DC voltage, that is here this capacitor, DC capacitor will be posted. Okay, so here we can see, so here we can see when 1 and 2 on. Okay, 3 and 4 are the off at this time. Okay, at when 1 and 2 are the on, at instant, so we can see that IAB, okay, current in the circuit, that's AC. So we can see that is it will be negative when 1 and 2 on at this time, and the at this time here current at the thyristors. Okay, current at the thyristors 1 and 2, it is negative. Okay, when turning on, okay, we are considering that first is T1 to T3, T4, okay. So here from T1 to T2 the current is negative. Okay, so whatever the current is the outside, okay, output side, that is a negative. Well, converting to the T2 to T3, okay, it is also negative. That is it will turning on the 1 and 2 thyristors we are switched on. Okay, at this instant is also is negative, that is IAB is negative. And considering the VAB, okay, so this is the positive state. Okay, when it is coming to the another instant from T3 to T4, what will happen at after, so at this instant what will happen, 1 dash and 2 dash are the activated. Okay, due to the reversal. So here we can see, so here we can see that, so this is the rectifier, so the rectifier is the inverse. So we can add invert an option and rectifier. So what will happen, due to the inverting and rectifier option operation, so the current is, okay, it will change this to positive to negative. So first instant what will happen, so 1 and 2 are the on at this instant, the ID. Okay, so IAB is negative. Okay, so IAB is negative. We can see from, so when 1 dash and 2 dash is on, okay, the diode current will on. Okay, whenever the diode current is on, so here current is IAB is goes to the positive state. Okay, for the instant from T3 to T4. Okay, now coming to the another state, that is T4 to T5 instant. Okay, T4 to T5 instant. What will happen? So when third and fourth is switched on, okay, third and fourth thyristors on. So similarly here also, here what happen? VAB is negative. Okay, so here VAB is negative and IAB is positive. Okay, so first instant is VAB is positive, so another instant VAB is negative. Okay, so if it is voltage is positive, the current is negative. Okay, if the current is positive, the voltage is negative. Okay, so this is the current waveform. This is for the, sorry, this is the voltage one, this is the current wave. Okay, we can see. So at output side, how it is voltage will appear. So this is for the current. So how this current is varying from whenever the thyristors and diodes is switched on. Okay, so this one for the rectifier operation, another for the inverter operation. So here we can say, sir, which one is in rectification, which one is for inverting. So this is above. Okay, if we draw the line in between, so above side is that is the rectifier operation, and this below side is the inverter. Okay, the current, whatever the current is that, so this is for up to this middle one. So reference line, it will act as a rectifier current. Another reference, that is the inverter current. Okay, and here we can, so here is the, if considering the V1, okay, at valve 1 and 1 dash, okay, the voltage will be like this. Okay, when turn on voltage will take place, so here voltage will be appear like this. Okay, now if you considering the phasor diagram, so for the voltage and current, so it will considering the in the lagging way, that is current is lagged the voltage. So here to simplify that one, so we are taking the at what state which one is on, which one is off. So here we can say 192 is on, means VAB is positive. Okay, 192 thyristor is on. Okay, it is positive. IAB is negative. Okay, conducting devices are 192. So conversion mode is, that is rectified. So conversion mode is rectified. So when 192 on, okay, so similar. So here another half cycle. So at the, so 1 dash and 2 dash are, okay, due to the reversal current flow. So here 1 dash and 2 dash are conducting. So at this instant it will act as a rectifier. For another instance, so we are considering the, that is T3 to T4 at this. So third and fourth is on. Okay, at this instant VAB is negative. Okay, and IAB also positive. Okay, So 1 dash 2 dash, that is IAB is positive. Okay, VAB also positive. So here what happens, third and fourth when are conducting, so it will act as a conducting mode. Okay, when I dash 3 dash and 4 dash is on. Okay, so here what happen, it will both are VAB and IAB are both are the negatively. Okay, it's this instead will act as a rectifier mode. So in this way, when we so here what will happen, sir, we are using the converters for the mitigating the impedance, sir. So here how impedance is reduces, sir. Okay, there may some question will be raised in mind. So here we are using the converters, inverters operation that take placing, and we are using the power electronic devices to minimizing the impedances losses in the transmission. How we are minimizing the losses, sir. Okay. So here what we are doing. So by this one, so we are controlling. Okay. So we are converting whatever the transmission line is there. Okay, first we are converting the HVDC. Okay, for AC to DC. So at the receiver end, what we are going to do? So we are converting the DC voltage to AC voltage. Okay, at this instant, whatever the limitations there. Okay, so losses will be reduced. So while collecting, if it is any losses in there, okay, so what will do, the power electronic devices is consume the reactive power. Okay, the power electronic device the consume the reactive power and release the active power in this one. Okay, from that we can reduces the maximum amount of impedance in this one. Okay, so these are another three phase full bridge converter. Okay, so whatever they study in the single phase bridge converter, so this is coming to the three phase. So first we'll, if you understand the single phase bridge converter, okay, then only easy for while understanding the three phase.